Stylish illustrations often come from combining shapes in a clean and expressive way. Today, how to create stylish shape illustrations. Launch Adobe Photoshop and create a 2000 by 2000 pixel canvas with a pastel background like soft pink. Select the Ellipse tool and draw a large circle using a warm orange color. Now switch to the Rectangle tool and create a small horizontal base beneath it using a darker shade. Choose the Polygon tool and add a triangle intersecting the circle to introduce a creative edge. Activate the Move tool and reposition shapes until the composition feels balanced and visually appealing.